students, welcome to your computer class. Today I am going to explain in computers. This is your chapter 2 and the topic is computer peripherals. Peripheral. Peripheral means a piece of equipment that is connected with the computer. Now in the warm up here is some input and output device. In this picture you can see clearly children. In the input device there is some input devices like keyboard, optical pen, joystick, scanner, barcode reader, etc. Like this in our output device there is headphones, headset, screen, inkjet printer, plotter, speakers, etc. Now we are coming on the next page. A computer is a machine hardware that receives and processes data according to the instructions given to it. And after the data has been processed, the result of the processing are usually sent to an output device. As you know, a computer is a machine which receives our instructions, data, and after the processed by the CPU, it shows our result as an input device. The input devices for feeding the computer with data and instructions can be a keyboard, mouse, scanner. As you know, the input devices feed our data with the help of the keyboard, mouse and scanner. The processing of the data is done by the central processing unit, which means CPU, which is the brain of the computer. The central processing unit processed our data and which is known as the brain of the computer also. The output devices can be a screen, monitor, printer, plotter, speakers, ports or another computer. So children, in this picture you can see here is input device which is store our data by the help of keyboard and mouse and which is sent to CPU which is processed our data and it shows our result as an output device by the monitor and printer. Backing storage device, it saves our storage by the disk drive. Now here is the next heading, input and output devices. Input and output devices of a computer are the devices that connect you to computer. Input devices let you transfer data and user command into the computer system. As you know children, input and output devices, they connect us with the computer and they transfer our data into the computer. I/O devices are used to interact with the computer system. I/O devices mean input and output devices, they interact us with the computer. For example, if we want to type our data by the using keyboard and if we want our data, input data in the picture form, we can use a scanner in the computer system. On the other hand, output devices display the result of input data or signals after processing it. After the processed our data, it shows our result as an output device. Example of these could be your computer's monitor, just like computer monitor, which displays all programs which are running on the computer as well as the printer, which we will print out a hard copy of the information which is saved in your computer. If we want our data as a result, so output device monitor shows our all programs which is running on the computer, and if we want our hard copy of the any data, it printer gives us as a result. So input and output devices are called computer peripherals. As you know, input and output devices allow the computer system to interact with the outside world by moving data into and out of the कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. इनपुट डिवाइस एंड आउटपुट डिवाइसेस ये हमें इंटरैक्ट कराती हैं बाहर की दुनिया से, जो बाय मूविंग डेटा, कोई भी डेटा को इन करने पे और आउट करने पर ये हमें बताती हैं, मूव कराती हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ some input devices are, here is some input devices like keyboard, mouse, light pen, touch screen, joystick, scanner, barcode reader, digital camera. An output device is used to send data out of the system. Output device shows our data outside of the computer. The user sees the result after processing of data by the computer through output devices. Examples of some output devices are monitor, printer, plotter and speaker. They on these devices we can see our result. We can take our result from these devices. Now input devices, there is some input devices. First one is keyboard. As you can see, it is the most common input devices used for entering data and informing into the computer system. As you know children, on the keyboard we can type our data, we can type any data and information on it. The user can enter data into the computer by pressing a set of keys on the keyboard. Yes, we can enter any data by the using of the keyboard, pressing a set of keys on the keyboard. In a keyboard, letters are printed on the keys. The first keyboard was developed in the 18th century and was called as a QWERTY keyboard. The first keyboard was developed in 18th century and it was called a QWERTY keyboard. In general, a computer keyboard has following keys. In the computer keyboard there is many keys children. They're one of the alphanumeric keys in which it includes letters and numbers also. Symbol keys, these includes comma, period, semicolons, at the rate and etc. And third one is special keys. In this can be function keys, control keys, arrows keys and caps lock keys etc. In the picture you can see children, there is space bar key, special key and numeric key. Numeric key means there is numbers. And alphabet keys, function keys and multimedia keys. On the keyboard you can see these kind of keys on it. After that, mouse. Mouse is also our input device. A mouse is a handy device which can be moved on a smooth surface to cause the movement of a cursor on the screen. It is a pointing device which is used to input data and information into the computer system by pointing on it. So mouse को हम handy device कहते हैं children, क्योंकि ये इसको हम हमेशा हाथ में ही रखते हैं. And we can move on a smooth surface to cause the movement. If we want any movement, so we moved it. It is pointing device which is used to input data and information. We can point out anything by the mouse. Physically, a mouse contains a small case. Yes, mouse need a small case and we can put our mouse on it. Users hands with one or more button. A mouse has one or more buttons. उसमें एक से ज़्यादा buttons होते हैं. For GUI based systems, a mouse is an essential pointing device. If GUI based system, mouse is an essential means important device, important pointing device है ये. The pointer of the mouse moves in the same direction in which the mouse ball rolls. जैसे जैसे हमारा बॉल रोल होता है माउस का, वैसे वैसे हमारा पॉइंटर मूव होता जाता है सेम डायरेक्शन में, उसी सेम डायरेक्शन में. So here are some types of mouse also. Mouse could be mechanical, optical or cordless types. Further information regarding these types are as follows. So here is some types of mouse. Some types of number one is a mechanical mouse. Mechanical mouse use ball for the movement of cursor on the computer screen. If we want move our mouse, it use a ball for the movement. When the ball is rolled in any direction, a sense of the mouse detects it and also moves the mouse pointer in the same direction. When we move our ball in any direction, our mouse pointer is also moved in the same direction with it. So children, that's all for today. Hope you will like it. We will continue in the next video. Thank you so much.